Hello, my name is Emmanuel Falco. I'm Director for Marketing and Communication for Iagona. And let me introduce you our brand new kiosk for patient admission, automatic patient admission. So that kiosk is dedicated to all establishments that would like to digitize the admission of patients. And so when a patient arrives, he can just confirm if he has an appointment or not, and then he can go through a process for filling all his information, and he can also pay his consultation with a doctor and print all different all different papers he needs. And if he needs to scan something, then he can also use a scanner, which is also available on that kiosk. And if you want more information, maybe you can go on our website at iagona.com. Thank you.